What is Gemini? Gemini was designed to be easily understandable and capable of handling various types of information, such as text, code, audio, image, and video. Gemini represents Google's most recent large language model, or LLM. An LLM is a system that forms the foundation for the AI tools commonly seen and used on the internet. As an illustration, ChatGPT Plus is fueled by GPT-4, which is OpenAI's premium chatbot that offers advanced features for a fee. Gemini is not just an AI model, but it also serves as the new name and identity for the Bard chatbot. Indeed, Bard is now a thing of the past, and it's been completely replaced by Gemini. In a move to make things easier, Google has chosen to refer to both the underlying model and chatbot as Gemini. Gemini's models are designed to be versatile and can handle various types of content, including text, video, audio, and programming code. Gemini models have the capability to perform a wide range of tasks, such as interpreting music sheet notes, creating new images by combining existing ones, and generating written content efficiently. Similar to OpenAI's GPT models, Google's Gemini models may not consistently or precisely complete certain tasks. Essentially, while the technology holds promise for the future, it's crucial for individuals to manage their expectations and evaluate the reliability of its current capabilities on a case-by-case basis. Models of Gemini. Gemini Nano 1.0. The Gemini Nano model size is optimized for smartphones and was first released on the Google Pixel 8. It is designed to handle tasks on the device itself without relying on external servers. These tasks include suggesting replies in chat apps, analyzing images, and summarizing text. The context window of the Gemini Nano model is 32,000 tokens. Gemini Flash 1.5. This model is designed to prioritize speed, making it a lightweight and cost-effective choice. The model has a long context window, which is set to 1 million tokens by default. This allows it to handle a large amount of data, such as an hour of video for over 30,000 lines of code. Gemini Pro 1.5. Gemini Pro is specifically built to support Gemini Advanced, Google's paid AI chatbot service, and operates on its advanced data centers. This model excels at delivering quick response times and comprehending intricate queries. Google has recently expanded its context window to 2 million tokens, making it the longest among all the large-scale models currently available. Gemini Ultra 1.0. According to Google, Gemini Ultra is their most advanced model, surpassing the current leading results on 30 out of 32 commonly used academic benchmarks in large language model or LLM research and development. It is designed to handle intricate tasks and can be accessed through Vertex AI and Google AI Studio using the Gemini API. Why did Google change Bard to Gemini, and when did this happen? Gemini was the new name given to Bard on February 8, 2024. Gemini was already the LLM that powered Bard. Renaming the platform as Gemini may have been an attempt to divert attention from the Bard name and the initial criticism the chatbot received. It made Google's AI effort easier and prioritized the success of the Gemini LLM. The name change was also logical from a marketing standpoint, as Google is looking to broaden its AI services. Google aims to raise awareness of its advanced LLM offering as the progress and accessibility of AI continue to accelerate. How does Google Gemini work? Google Gemini operates by initially being trained on a vast amount of data. The model utilizes various neural network techniques to comprehend content, respond to queries, generate text, and produce outputs. The Gemini LLMs utilize a neural network architecture based on transformer models. The Gemini architecture has been improved to handle long contextual sequences across various data types, such as text, audio, and video. Google DeepMind utilizes efficient attention mechanisms in the transformer decoder to assist the models in handling lengthy contexts that encompass various modalities. Gemini models have undergone extensive training on a wide range of multimodal and multilingual datasets, including text, images, audio, and video. This training was conducted by Google DeepMind, utilizing advanced data filtering techniques to enhance the effectiveness of the training process. Models for the Gemini series are customized to enhance specific Google services through a targeted fine-tuning process that optimizes them for specific use cases. Gemini utilizes Google's latest tensor processing unit chips, TPU v5, during both the training and inference phases. These custom AI accelerators are designed to train and deploy large models efficiently. One major issue that LLMs face is the potential for bias and harmful content. Google states that Gemini has undergone thorough safety testing and mitigation measures to address risks like bias and toxicity, ensuring a certain level of safety for LLM. In order to ensure the effectiveness of Gemini, the models underwent testing using academic benchmarks across various domains, including language, image, audio, video, and code. Google has made it clear that it follows a set of principles regarding AI, which are easy to comprehend and straightforward. Gemini was introduced on December 6, 2023, consisting of various model sizes tailored to specific use cases and deployment environments. The Ultra model is the highest tier option and is specifically engineered for intricate tasks. The Pro model is specifically designed to deliver high performance and facilitate large-scale deployment. Starting on December 13, 2023, Google made Gemini Pro accessible in Google Cloud Vertex AI and Google AI Studio. The code utilizes a version of Gemini Pro to drive the Google Alpha Code 2 generative AI coding technology. The Nano model is designed for use on devices. There are two versions of Gemini Nano. Nano 1 is 1.8 billion parameters, while Nano 2 has 3.25 billion parameters. The Google Pixel 8 Pro smartphone is one of the places where Nano is being embedded. About the new Gemini 1.5 Flash. The newest addition to the Gemini model family is 1.5 Flash, which is also the fastest Gemini model available in the API. Google's solution is designed to handle large volumes of tasks efficiently and effectively. It is cost-efficient and includes a long context window feature. Although it is a lighter weight model compared to the 1.5 Pro, it has the ability to reason across different modes of information and provides impressive quality despite its smaller size. 1.5 Flash is highly effective in summarization, chat applications, image and video captioning, data extraction from long documents and tables, and other tasks. The reason is that 1.5 Pro educated it using a technique called distillation, which involves transferring the most important information and abilities from a bigger model to a smaller, more efficient one. Gemini 1.5 Flash is designed to handle large-scale tasks efficiently and cost-effectively. It retains the capability for multimodal reasoning, allowing for the generation of text, audio, and video. Gemini Flash provides users with near instantaneous results, typically within 1 second of entering their query. This fast response time ensures that users can quickly access the model's output for most use cases. Gemini Flash is a condensed version of Gemini Pro, keeping the most important knowledge and skills in a smaller package. Gemini 1.5 Flash incorporates all the enhancements from Gemini 1.5 Pro, such as its efficient mixture of experts or MOE-based architecture, larger context window, and improved performance. Google emphasizes that Gemini 1.5 models have a context window size of up to 2 million tokens, surpassing current competitors. Gemini 1.5 Flash, on the other hand, has a default window size of 1 million tokens. According to Google, this can handle a substantial amount of data in one sitting, including up to an hour's worth of video, 11 hours worth of audio, code bases with more than 30,000 lines of code, or more than 700,000 words. Additional enhancements have been made to Gemini 1.5 Pro, which also extends to Gemini 1.5 Flash. These include improvements in code generation, logical reasoning and planning, multi-turn conversation, as well as audio and image understanding. According to Google, Gemini 1.5 Pro surpasses Gemini 1.0 Ultra in most benchmarks, while Gemini 1.5 Flash outperforms Gemini 1.0 Pro. Google has released an updated version 1.0 of its Gemini Nano model for device-based inference. Gemini Nano has enhanced its capabilities to comprehend images alongside text inputs, and has plans to extend this to sound and spoken language in the future. These updates demonstrate Google's dedication to enhancing the capabilities of its AI models, ensuring they stay at the forefront of the industry. Gemini 1.5 Pro and Gemini 1.5 Flash have been improved to handle complex programming tasks and make more sophisticated decisions. This is achieved through enhanced code generation, logical reasoning, and planning. The advancements in multi-turn conversation enable more natural and engaging interactions, making these models well-suited for customer service and personal assistant applications. Furthermore, the improvements in audio and image comprehension broaden the applicability of these models in multimedia fields, allowing them to interpret and react to a broader array of input formats. Google's release of Gemini Nano version 1.0 for device-based inference highlights their commitment to making AI capabilities more accessible on edge devices. This update improves on-device performance and opens up new possibilities for its use. Gemini Nano is equipped with advanced image understanding capabilities and has plans to incorporate sound and spoken language comprehension. This will enable it to offer comprehensive AI solutions directly on users' devices, expanding the potential for mobile and offline applications.